2 days ago, DeepSeek released V4 version of their model, and you can see there are three different variants. Here, one is actually DeepSeek V4 preview. It's actually live and open source, so you don't have to spend anything. You can completely use it for free. Then each has actually cost effective strategy that has 1 million context length. So you can just put this a entire source code on this model and you can get feedback from that. Okay, then we'll have DeepSeek V4 Pro version, and it has 1.6 trillion parameters with 49 billion active parameters, and it can compete with closed source model like ChatGPT or Claude Code. So you can compare with this model, and if you have already, then share me your knowledge. So is it actually working perfectly? And compete with them properly. And there is actually DeepSeek V4 Flash model, and it has 284 billion active parameters and 13 billion active parameters, and it's fast, efficient, and economical choice. And in this video, I will actually show you how you can get actually free access of DeepSeek V4 Pro completely for free without spending any dollar. And here, if you want to access these, you can go to chat.deepseek.com. So this is actually the official website. From here, you can just get DeepSeek V4 Pro version. So here you will see two mode. One is actually instant mode, and there is expert mode. So expert mode enabled right now on Pro versions, and you can access it from here. But if you want to really try to get DeepSeek V4 Pro version, you will have to go to build.nvidia.com/model, and here you will find free endpoint. So you can see DeepSeek V4 Pro version. So they will provide free endpoint with some rate limit, but you can just test it from their platform. You can just connect API and use it from your IDE. And there is actually DeepSeek V4 Flash version. You can also get that. Let me show you. Here you will go there, and right now you will see a chat interface. You can use it from this chat interface. But if you need to just connect it with other model, you can go to this model card, and here you will see that all of these descriptions about the DeepSeek Pro version. And then here you can see you will have view code options. So there else actually, look, you can use it on OpenAI compatible IDE. So you can use it by using this API and Nvidia API key. So if you want to go with JavaScript, you have Node here. That this is actually for Node.js. You will have shell command. You can use it by following this way. Okay, so this is the fast way you can use DeepSeek V4 Pro completely for free. I will show you another way how we can do that. So that is actually, you can go to DeepSeek you can go with Hugging Face platform, and here if you go to the model section, you will see DeepSeek V4 Pro version is there. So you can use it completely for free. And here you will see, look, here you will have a chat interface. You can just prompt here and then send. But if you want to get the proper chat interface, you can just click this, use this model, and go to Hugging Face chat option, and now it will land this interface. And here you can see the model is selected, DeepSeek AI and DeepSeek V4 Pro version. And if you chat from here, you can use this DeepSeek V4 Pro from here completely for free. And this is actually two ways you can get it completely for free. But if you need to get a paid version, so the best way to purchase their API from actually platform DeepSeek, okay, .com. So you can go this here, and you can have accounts. Then you can just top up. So you can just start with $2, $5, and this is actually for your API cost. You can just purchase this plan and can use it as you just use ChatGPT or Cloud Code. And there is another platform, it's actually open router also available this model. You can see DeepSeek V4 Pro version, and its most cost effective way. If you want to go with pay per use, then you can see in this pricing sections, it's for 1 million token the input price is 0.194, and for output actually 1.90. So this is very cost efficient if you want to use it from here. And there is another way you can just use Olama Cloud. So if you have already Olama installed and a purchase plan of $9, probably it's actually it's actually $20. And if you pay $20 here, then you can use this cloud version of this model, DeepSeek uh, DeepSeek V4 Pro, DeepSeek V4 Flash model, and it's actually cloud version right now. We can use it from here completely. It's actually not free. So I have shown you several ways. The best way is use Nvidia. Then second way is use DeepSeek, use Hugging Face chat option. So for free access, I hope you try all of this and let me know which one is working for you perfectly.